Mystery curtain here. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind a device that's been the talk of the tech world. Stick around as we run real-world tests. When Dell unveiled the Dell 16 Premium, many wondered if it was simply a trimmed-down version of the XPS 16 or something entirely new. After several days of hands-on use, it's clear that this isn't a cutback, it's a statement. The Dell 16 Premium doesn't just aim to follow the XPS 16. It challenges it directly in performance, thermals, and all-around stability, setting a new benchmark for professional 16-inch laptops. At first glance, the design philosophy is unmistakably Dell: minimalist, refined, and purposeful. The chassis retains the sleek aluminum unibody look of the XPS 16, but leans slightly more toward practicality. The refreshed Dell logo on the lid, now without the traditional circular outline, gives it a fresh, modern identity. Every detail reflects a sense of precision, making it feel both elegant and ready for serious work. Connectivity is versatile despite the clean design. All three USB-C ports support Thunderbolt 4 with up to 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds, power delivery, and DisplayPort 2.1. On the right side, you'll find one Thunderbolt 4 port, a micro SD card reader, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, while the left side houses two additional Thunderbolt 4 ports. The absence of rear and front ports keeps the layout minimalist but practical for professionals who rely on fast data transfer and multiple displays. The keyboard and touchpad remain top-notch, carrying over the excellent design from the XPS 16 9640. Typing is crisp and consistent, with a comfortable key travel and solid tactile feedback. Each key is evenly sized, with a slightly concave surface that enhances grip. The large glass touchpad, perfectly centered, feels smooth, responsive, and precise, ideal for productivity workflows. The white backlit keyboard maintains usability in low-light environments without glare, underscoring the laptop's premium craftsmanship. The 16-inch 4K OLED display sees a subtle yet meaningful upgrade, moving from 90 Hz to 120 Hz, offering buttery smooth visuals, whether scrolling through documents or editing high-resolution content. The panel delivers exceptional contrast, vivid color accuracy, and crisp detail at 2400p resolution. Peak brightness stays around 400 nits, sufficient for most indoor conditions. And the addition of Windows VRR variable refresh rate ensures fluidity while conserving power. It's one of the few 16-inch 4K 120Hz OLED screens in this segment, making it a visual treat for creators and professionals alike. Under the hood, the Dell 16 Premium packs a serious punch. It's powered by Intel's Core Ultra 7 255H processor, built on the Arrow Lake H architecture, paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. 8GB GDDR7 graphics, 32GB LPDDR5x 8400 RAM, and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. This setup easily handles demanding workloads, from video editing to 3D rendering, with impressive responsiveness and multitasking performance. CPU performance is impressive, with the Core Ultra 7255H clocking up to 5.1 GHz. It delivers roughly 20% more performance than last year's Core Ultra 7155H on the XPS 16. In Cinebench R23, it scores 21,826 points in multi-core and 1,874 in single-core, outperforming its predecessor, while staying close to the higher-tier Core Ultra 9 285H found in the Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i16. Real-world tasks like exporting 4K videos or rendering 3D scenes are noticeably faster and smoother, though extended heavy loads reveal some throttling as temperatures climb. The RTX 5070 laptop GPU 60W provides excellent balance between power and efficiency. While it's about 10–20% slower than full TGP gaming laptops with the same GPU, Dell's tuning prioritizes stable thermals and low fan noise, perfect for creators rather than hardcore gamers. In 3D Mark Time Spy, it scores 11,192 points, delivering smooth performance across creative and light gaming workloads. In practical gaming tests, Cyberpunk 2077 1080p Ultra averaged 81.5 FPS, while Baldur's Gate 3 reached 109 FPS, outperforming both the XPS 16 and HP Spectre X360-16. Thermal management is handled intelligently, keeping the chassis comfortable even under pressure. The hottest areas reach around 45 C113F during prolonged stress, while the palm rest and keyboard remain cool enough for continuous work. Dell's design choices favor a MacBook-like clean aesthetic over aggressive venting, proving that performance and elegance can coexist. Storage performance also deserves praise. The 1TB Kioxia BG6 PCIe 4.0 SSD hits sequential read speeds of 6,075 MB and write speeds of 5,333 MB, ensuring blazing fast boot times and instant access to large project files. Every interaction feels snappy and consistent, whether loading 4K footage or managing AI workloads. In the end, the Dell 16 Premium stands as one of the most capable 16-inch professional laptops of 2025. It blends performance, design, and practicality better than most competitors, proving it's more than just an XPS alternative. It's Dell's declaration that premium doesn't stop at XPS, it evolves beyond it.